Are you spending more time grading papers, planning lessons, and swamped with emails than you are actually teaching? Does your weekend feel like just a 2-day catch-up session for the week to come? If that sounds familiar, you are not alone, and you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the essential automation tools that can save you 5, 10, or even more hours every single week. These aren't just theoretical ideas. They are powerful, practical tools that real teachers are already using to reclaim their time and their sanity.
Zapier is like a digital assistant that connects different apps and automates tasks for you. It's a no-code platform which has a catalog of softwares which you can make talk to other softwares that are in the Zapier catalog.
We're going to dive into how to set them up and how they can transform your workflow. So stick around until the very end, because the 6th tool we're going to cover is a true game changer that might completely revolutionize your weekends and how you manage your entire classroom ecosystem. Let's be honest, the workload for modern teachers has become unsustainable. It's a silent crisis of burnout, fueled by an ever-growing mountain of administrative tasks that chip away at our passion and our energy. We entered this profession to inspire, to connect, and to witness those incredible aha moments with our students. But instead, we often find ourselves buried under paperwork, leaving little to no time for the creative lesson planning that actually sparks curiosity. Studies consistently show that teachers are working 50 to 60 hours a week on average, with a huge portion of that time spent on non-teaching duties. This isn't just tiring, it's draining the very essence of what makes teaching a rewarding career. This is precisely why automation matters so much. It isn't about replacing the human element of teaching. It's about eliminating the robotic, repetitive tasks that steal our time and focus. By embracing smart technology, we can automate the mundane, freeing up our mental and emotional bandwidth to do what we do best: teach. The goal is to work smarter, not harder, and these tools are the key to unlocking that new reality. To help you navigate the world of teacher productivity, we're breaking down these automation tools into 5 clear categories. Think of this video as your map, helping you identify where your biggest time sinks are and which solutions will have the most immediate impact. First, we'll tackle grading and assessment, the top time vampire for educators. Second is lesson planning and scheduling, how to build dynamic lessons faster. Third covers student and parent communication, automating updates and reminders. Fourth is administrative tasks, those small to-dos that consume hours. Finally, engagement tools, which automate keeping students involved. By the end of this video, you'll know how each category contributes to a more efficient, fulfilling teaching life. Our first and possibly most impactful tool is a dynamic duo for auto-grading: Google Forms with Flubaroo, or preferably Quillgo. This combo turns any quiz, exit ticket, or homework in Google Forms into a self-grading system. Create a quiz, assign it, and as soon as students submit, scores are calculated, logged in a Google Sheet, and optionally emailed to them. The hours saved on grading are enormous. Setup is simple. Make the quiz, complete it yourself to create the answer key, then install Quillgo or Flubaroo from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Select your answer key submission, and the tool auto-grades everything else. A tip: use response validation to ensure students enter names or IDs consistently, keeping your spreadsheet clean. This setup is ideal for low-stakes assessments like vocabulary quizzes or bell ringer tasks. It offers instant feedback to students and gives you your evenings back. Next is a tool you may know, but not for its automation power: Canva, particularly its magic design features and lesson plan templates. Canva is now a powerhouse for creating professional-looking classroom materials in minutes. With Magic Design, you can enter a prompt like 10-slide presentation about the water cycle for 5th graders, and Canva generates a ready-to-use presentation. You can tweak the text and images and have a lesson prepped in minutes. Beyond slides, Canva's massive template library offers fully customizable resources: worksheets, newsletters, posters, infographics, and more. You start with a professional design that's already 90% done, cutting out the time-consuming formatting phase. It's perfect for visual teaching elements. Whether it's a unit handout or creating a cohesive classroom brand, Canva helps you save time and streamline your workflow. Our third tool automates engagement and formative assessment: ClassPoint or Pear Deck. These add-ins for PowerPoint and Google Slides turn traditional presentations into interactive, two-way experiences. They automate tracking participation and understanding in real time. Instead of lecturing, you can embed polls, word clouds, drawing activities, or quick quizzes right into your slides. These tools collect and display responses instantly, giving you a live snapshot of who's engaging and grasping the content. No hand raising or paper collection selection needed. The data can be saved for review, helping you adjust future lessons. A smart setup tip: preload your interactive questions before class so your session flows smoothly. These tools are ideal for breaking up lectures, starting class with bell ringers, or wrapping up with exit tickets. They keep students involved and give you the insight you need without adding extra work. For our fourth tool, we're building a digital brain for your teaching life with Notion and its new AI features. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Think digital Lego blocks for lesson planning, curriculum mapping, and organizing resources. The real automation begins when you use Notion AI. With a simple command, it can generate a lesson plan, discussion questions, parent emails, or project ideas, saving you time on brainstorming and structuring. You can create linked databases for lesson plans, calendars, student rosters, and resource libraries. For example, a master calendar can show upcoming lessons, and with one click, open a detailed plan, including an AI-generated outline, Google Slides links, and PDFs. A pro tip: create a lesson plan template with built-in AI prompts. Just duplicate, enter your topic, and let AI generate the content. It's perfect for teachers who want one centralized hub to manage and automate planning. Our fifth tool is a classic for automating communication: Remind or Class Dojo. These platforms simplify keeping parents and students in the loop. Scheduled messaging is the key. You can write all weekly announcements on Sunday and schedule them, trip reminders, quiz alerts, or study guide links. This set it and forget it approach ensures timely messages while protecting your time. Features like auto replies and office hours let you set boundaries, informing parents when you're unavailable. Ideal for recurring messages like newsletters and homework reminders, it reduces emails and keeps communication consistent while lowering your mental load. Now for our sixth and most powerful tool, Zapier, or its simpler cousin, IFT. Automation platforms that connect your apps. You create zaps, simple workflows like when a student submits a Google form quiz, copy their name and score to a Google Sheet, then draft an email to their parent. It automates grading, data entry, and communication at once. You can back up files, get texts when a parent completes a form, or auto-add tasks when starring Gmail emails. If you're manually moving info between apps, Zapier can likely automate it. It's the glue that binds your tech tools into one seamless system running in the background. Of course, the automation world is huge, so here's a quick-fire roundup of bonus tools. Mote is a Chrome extension that lets you leave voice notes in Google Docs, Slides, and Classroom. Faster and more personal than typing, Loom helps you record quick screen videos, perfect for explaining things visually. Google Calendar add-ons let parents book meetings directly from your available slots, cutting down email ping pong. For project-based learning, Trello's Butler automation can auto-create checklists, assign deadlines, and move task cards across your board as students progress. So how do you put this all together without getting overwhelmed? Build your automation stack piece by piece. Don't try every tool, just pick one that solves your biggest pain point. If grading is the issue, start with Google Forms and QuillGo. If lesson planning drains you, try Notion with AI. A beginner-friendly stack could look like this. Use Google Forms for quizzes, Zapier to send results to a Google Sheet, and Canva to make lesson materials based on what students struggled with. Be strategic, map your workflow, find the manual steps, and automate just one. Once that's working, add the next. This incremental method makes it manageable and effective. Teachers using these tools have seen real results. Many reclaim their Sunday nights, cut grading time in half, and finally have the headspace for the creative projects they love. The payoff isn't just time, it's emotional. It's about feeling in control, reducing burnout, and rediscovering why you became a teacher. It will generate more time for yourself, your family, and your students. Imagine walking into school excited, not exhausted. That's the promise of automation, not to make you robotic, but to make you more human by freeing you to focus on what matters most. So let's recap. We've covered Google Forms and QuillGo for grading, Canva for design, ClassPoint or Pear Deck for engagement, Notion with AI for lesson planning, Remind for communication, and Zapier for full integration. These are some of the best automation tools for teachers today. Now I want to hear from you. Which tool are you most excited to try? Which one will make the biggest difference for you? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you'd like a deep dive tutorial on any tool mentioned, let me know. I'm here every week helping teachers reclaim their time through smart tech. If that sounds like something you need, like this video and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Also, see the description for the respective links. Thanks for watching, and here's to working smarter, not harder, and as always, remain in work mode.